Good morning, everybody. Matrix here. It's 9/10, September September 5th. Okay, so a little pre-market action, just recording here. Main watch is going to be Work and Roku. Work had a negative earnings reaction last night, so I'm just doing a little prep work right now. Move the clock out of the way, and I guess I'll show you guys everything live while I prep myself. As I didn't prep myself last night, Wednesdays I usually take the night off on uh, on the prepping side because I have to spend time with my girlfriend. It's a date night. We only see each other once a week, so make the best of it. So work, earnings reaction. Okay, all-time lows from uh, from the IPO, 2790 here. Got that marked off on the daily range. It's tanked under. We are trading really lots of volume pre-market level and after hours yesterday. This is where the first bounce happened at 2750. So that's going to be a key area that I marked off here. I want to check out the first print of opening price here as well. 2708 is the first print, so I'm going to mark that off. That's pretty key. Okay, mark that off. Pre-market lows, we have 2650, so I'm gonna mark that off. Usually pre-market is the pre-market highs and lows. Use the purple line. Yesterday after hours, we had the low here. Let's take a look here. Okay, a little bit under 26, so mark that off too. So we'll use that as the support for now. It looks like it's rounding up just a tad, but it's unable to get back above 27. Average shoe range is $1.37. It's just gonna save my drawings here and then load them up to my next chart here, to the 5-minute. So load that, work, and load that to the 30-minute chart as well. Okay, so it looks like it's just trading sideways, more downward than anything, even in pre-market. So I am expecting a cover pop at the open. See if it's gonna want to test this 27.5 again and give me a chance to get short. And if the ATR is $1.37, we should be expecting more because of the higher relative volume. We have fresh catalyst. I'm gonna check the news real quick here and see if we have any upgrades or downgrades on work. Okay, so Morgan Stanley equals weight, 38 bucks, lowers price, still maintains a buy on 38 MKM. Okay, so raising target by Mones and Crespi. They missed the market expectation for greater acceleration in billings growth in Q2. Okay, so Barclays maintain overweight. Credit Suisse lowers price target but neutral. So overall, this looks like a typical overreaction. They lower their for the year guidance and their Q3 guidance. Okay, so they miss. That in itself is it's not a good sign usually if they lower both future year and quarter guidance. So I do like this for more downside. Is my mic working? It is perfect. With that said, looking for a pop and drop. This first price of target opening print of pre-market is also important at $27, 2707. So I'll wait for that. Coming over here to Roku, move the clock out of the way here. Roku, heavy volume as well, trading lots. It's been running. Looks like it's having a first red day We got a gap up, pop and drop. So we got new highs going. All right. You know what? Let me load up Roku from yesterday and see here. Roku. Okay, so yesterday, wow, it's long gone. Okay, so pre-market highs we have 173.21. Mark that. 173.30. That's okay. After hours, it ran up this area. The 170 is pretty key, so I'm gonna mark that off. We're trading right under it right now. Orange. Coming over here. 171 as well. On the 5-minute, you can tell this is really key. 172. Wow, every dollar, eh? At these levels. Let's take a look at yesterday, right here. 67.89. This is where we're sitting at right now. That's pretty key, right? So I'll mark that off. It looks like it's bouncing. Oh, wow. Dump through too. So people are taking profits. Okay. Well, that said, then I'm expecting a pop out the gates. And then pop out the gates and then get short again. This yesterday's closing price, important as well. How far will it pull? It could pull all the way back down to the opening price of yesterday, 161.50. We had some sort of support here. 166.34. Yeah. So let's take a look at that. 166. We'll call it 166.25 for now. On the 30-minute chart. Yeah. I marked off here 168. Yeah. 170 we marked off in the highs. After this, there's a long ways down to, you see this 30-minute 5 EMA here. Oh, sorry, 50 EMA, 164. I guess that could be significant as well. We're going to be trading off the 30-minute chart. Okay, so 3 lines of support. Wow. Okay. Got some nice reversal action here on the 5-minute. Still early. We are at 9:15. I'm going to pause the video a bit real quick and I'll come back a few minutes before. Okay, so one of my friends just noticed this. Netflix. Very interesting technical breakdown on the daily chart, and it started tanking out of nowhere. It snapped some sort of a support. Take a look at the minute chart. It just pulled hard, right? So 288 pop and drop is what I'm looking at here. I don't see any news though. So 288 is where the VWAP is too. Very interesting. Okay. New lows of the day. That's where it snapped. 9 o'clock. Oh, give me a 30-minute here. Yeah, 288. And then right here, it might 286.5. Let's take a look at 5-minute. 287 as well. Okay, so 288, 287. Now we have a resistance zone. Give me a pop and drop. And we'll take care of it from there. Zooming back in. Target, taking a look at the daily chart here. Zoom out. This bar low, 278.54. So 278.50. see, we got some more here. Come on. Oh, gone too far. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at here, 278.50. What's this? This is about 271 as well. I don't know if it can get all the way down to 271. I'll mark that off, I guess. 271. 270, 271. Good targets here. 280. Okay. Key psychological whole number. Where's it at? It's coming close to it. Netflix does like a 10-point ATR, average shoe range. So let me check the average shoe range on that real quick. NFLX. Oh, 8.5 points. Okay, so let's see. ATR 8.60. Let's put that there to remind me later. Okay, so Netflix on the side watch. Very interesting. Pull that to the side. Pause the video again. I'll come right back. Okay, so we're 2 minutes into the open. We see Slack selling off heavy right now. The tape's moving really fast. Just went through the pre-market lows, so that's interesting. There's going to be an opening play here. We have a key resistance right here that I can risk off of, the 2680. So for the opening move, I'm going to get my order ready to short right out of the gates using 2680 and 27 as a risk. I'll start one share and then build into it as the momentum carries. Tops out at the 26.6. We got 1 minute to go. Very, very interesting. Unable to get back above, so give it a few seconds here. Okay, I see a 26.50 print. 26.57, so it's trying to reclaim right now. And the selling still continues. I'm just looking at the tape here. I'm executing this trades on another platform. I just chart this here. We got 40 seconds. Looking very, very weak. So dump out right out of gates. This is going to be a good scalp. You know what? I'm going to size up just a tad more here. Just get ready. 2 seconds. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, pop and drop. 63. Not moving. I'm in. I'm going to go. And I'll get ready to cover here. 80s. 80s. Having trouble at the 80s here. Oh, 27. Let's give it a sec. $27. Oh, it's pushing 27. No. Short some more. What's the average I got here? Come on. 26.53 is my average, so I'm still down a little bit. So let's see. We're playing off the 27 right now on the opening drive. It's holding up though. Oh no, we got pretty neat downward pressure here. No, it's 76. Not having it. Short some more. Boom. Let's go. Give me that momentum. Snap that low. Snap that 39 low. Perfect. Cover some. Coming into the 26. Getting ready to cover a little bit more into the 26. Take some more here. Okay. What we got? Slowing down. Okay, it needs to give me a reason to cover. Still playing on this pre-market low. Snap with great volume. Testing. Target's going to be 25.85 again. When it reaches, that would be my next cover point. I am recording, yeah? Yeah, I am recording right now. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to get out if it reverses on me. The opening play is usually for a scalp. Where's my last cover here? Last cover was at 26.14. Watching the tape here now. It's having trouble getting back above the 30s area. So this is good. As long as it stays under 26.50, I'm good. Opening momentum slowed down a little bit, so still see pressure. See a buyer holding up the 26.15. So I'm going to take just a tad more here, but we still got the selling pressure coming. Just a very little tad more. Boom. Here we go. 26. Once 26 snaps through, I'm going to take a little bit more and keep a very small size. My average is 26.54 right now, so it's the average shoe range is about $1 and change. Here's the 26. All the while I'm missing Roku here right now. Roku's just stuck in between these support ranges, so it's okay. I'm not missing that much. Has sold off a lot. Roku, I guess I'll wait for a play after 10 o'clock here while I'm babying this, managing this trade here on the opening drive. It looks like it's coming back up a little bit, so get ready. Get ready to get out, right? Where is my resistance? So the 25's hitting the offers, okay? That 25 offer lifted, so we got some buyers trying to come back in, reclaim the 26.25. So this is getting into dangerous territory. See what it does when it gets back to my entry price here. Okay, 9 EMA. Looking good so far. It's getting close. Okay, nice stuff candle. Tape slowed down on the buying. Sellers coming back in. No. Fake out. The volume compared to the opening volume is pretty light on this little fade back up. Coming back up to the VWAP. I got my finger on the trigger on my little final bit here. If I can avoid it, I don't want this trade to go back red on me. I have locked in a lot, but this little run-up move, this retracement has took some of my gains away. Still green. There it is. So I'm now, the stock has now come back over my entry price. Just relax though, because I locked in already. So see what it does here. There's a major reversal on the 5-minute candle. Okay, so if it still holds this 2650 area, then I'm going to get out. Boom. Okay, snap right back down. That's fine. Can it make a lower low here? We'll have to see. I am going to take just very little bit more off. I have starter size left now on this. So really nothing much to lose. I can actually let this run back up to 27. It still won't hurt me. Now we're at my average price here. I want to see a reversal though. $26.50 is holding. So we got the bid stacking at the 26.50. We got a block here. And looking at the tape, red prints, boom, right back down. That's good. That's very good. Okay, so I've paid myself. That's the reason why I can actually hold through all this choppiness. I'm just going to watch right now. It looks like the stock is wedging out a little bit over here. I want to see if it can snap under this 26.25. As you can see, it made some clear support here right now. Or is it just going to hang around? So it's hanging around, down 15 and change percent here already with the SSR on, short sell restriction. So it's going to be tough for it to sell off. It's holding this 26.25. Still trading under the VWAP. Still trading under 26.50. On the 5-minute chart, it looks like a reversal. I don't like it. Come on. This needs to get stuffed here. We have the morning low and now looking like a higher low basing. So morning low, higher low. Man, this could be a reason for me to get out now. 75's hitting. Very strong on the tape here. Okay, so we got a little pullback. It's not coming down. If it's holding, then I gotta get out. Reclaim the VWAP. Still watching the tape. I see 58's hitting, but it's not selling hard. Okay, I'm gonna close it out right now here. And just call it for the first trade, not bad. Not bad for the first trade. Uh, nicely green. Held through, started off a little early right here and held through this pain, but that was my plan though. My plan was to risk off either here, the 2680s, and the 27. It's actually looking like it's about to roll over as well. So watching and seeing how this 2650 reacts. It's very early in the morning. I don't need to take another trade as I'm very good. So I'm just going to wait and let the chart develop and really tell me the story. It's still having trouble right here at 2670. Roku dumping out hard, and obviously I miss. It's unable to get back above yesterday's closing price, which is fine. A miss is a miss is a miss, right? Netflix, very interesting. It topped out right here at 288. Missed that too, but nothing I can do about that. So reclaim the very key area here. You know what? Let's delete and use the full line, right? So we have a V formation. We have one push, higher low, two push, higher low, third push, getting stuffed. So it looks like it's coming to an end of this push move here on the 5-minute chart. I could use a starter size to short and risk the 27, but do I have to take a trade right now? Not really. I will wait until after price discovery, which is, and I talked about this in my previous recap video here, which is 10 o'clock, and I'll just wait right now. And I'm going to pause the video right now while we wait. Okay. Okay, so back on recording, 9:45 right now. Slack having trouble in the sideways range here. Not going to do anything until it makes a big move and show me something of significance. Roku, however, is dumping and past the 165 on the 5-minute chart is very overextended to the downside. The next area of support I marked off is the 164 area here, which it kind of reach almost there. So looking for a bounce back once it starts bottoming out at 10 o'clock. The SPY, very interesting on the SPY right now because we have a major pop at the open, but we got stuff right back down. So I'll keep that on the side here. This is it could either go both ways here on work, right? So we're stuck in between 2665 and 2680s. You can't really make a call right here. You can't buy. It's a 50-50. If you long, it could pop through. If you short, it could dump back. It's very 50-50. You got to wait for the move here. So there is no edge here taking this trade. I mean, we have the major down move, which was the earnings, right? But then we also see it hitting bottom at a key psychological and then making higher lows, higher lows. Right now, unable to. It's like it's holding a higher low. So I guess this would be a long setup, but I would rather long it here and risk down here than long it here because the move has gone up so far already. Even though it's trading above VWAP and all my moving averages, the short-term trend on 9 EMA, it's telling us it's going up right now. The VWAP's telling us it's just trading sideways. Also, the 50 EMA, it's no trend here. It's still sideways, but it is scooping. Does look bullish, and it's about to break. So nice little bounce back up here. We have the opening highs and the opening lows on Roku as well. So very defined. I want to see it get back down here on Roku, and I'll long it for the fade back up. Or we'll see. Can't do much of anything right now. Just got to sit down, wait, and be patient. Netflix in a wedge, so nothing there as well. With the SPY overall looking bullish, right? It's tough for me to take a short stance on any of these tickers right now. But then with the catalyst overall, this is a short catalyst. This is also a short catalyst because it's more of a profit take pullback day, like a first red day. So I'm going to wait until the SPY shows me some sort of weakness as well. Do I want a long? I don't have to long. As a SPY, been talking about the SPY trap. Anytime they could pull the rug. And today the SPY gapped up and popped over the 294, which is pretty significant. And it's because China and US are going into trade talks again. They announced that they're going to get back to the negotiating table in October. Still sideways range. I guess I could take a short and risk the 27, right? Which is the key play. Take a starter size short. Did I miss it? That's a nice pull down. Oh, I missed it. Damn. Come on. Come on. It's not cracking yet, though. Still holding the pre-market lows, 26.5. I like this to be an all-day fader. And I know there's like analysts coming out with the hold and the buy ratings, right? Those hold and buys will take into effect once this thing bottoms out after today. It's going to show some sort of bottoming action and settle. Once the dust settles, then it's a buy. Roku tested coming back down again. Watching the tape here at 26.50, I might do a starter size at the snap for continued momentum. It's holding though. It's holding this 26.50. Do I want to short here? Not really. That's kind of chasing. I should have shorted right up here at 26.80s. It's 30 cents away from my ideal entry. Look at the momentum on the tape here. Like the pattern on the tape is interesting, right? I mean, this is just a fight zone. The SPY just ripped, went up some more. Trading under VWAP and the 50 MA. And this is very defined. I do like it for the short. If it gives out, it's going to come down fast. Give me a little pop. Let me fight for price here. Ideally, I want the 60s. So offers hitting the 53s. I see some 54s and 55s closing in. Okay. 5-minute candle pullback here. Almost 10 o'clock. Sit patient and wait. Sit a coffee. I guess I should map off my entry here. Where did I short? 930, 931, 932. I'll map them off in a bit, actually. I'm just going to watch this price action. It's not getting above. Where's my buyers? Shorts are not, I mean, it's going to pop if the shorts decide to cover right now. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a cover pop and down as long as it stays under. Okay, 2650s. Is it getting chewed up? This 439 block, this is a huge block that's not moving. And they just added to it. So somebody's holding this up. Oh, it just got chewed out. You know what? I'll do a starter size on it. Oh, right as I hit it. Where did I get in? It's okay. Starter size. 2657 is my average here. Okay. I have the VWAP protecting me. I have this 2675 area protecting me. Once this thing gets chewed up, once the buyer steps aside, then we're good to go. Starter size won't hurt me. And if it pops up and through, I will get out. I got 57s going. Yeah, average price 57. So coming into 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, it might just cover out and pop, right? So gotta be ready to get out. Here we go, chewing it up. Come on, step aside, buyer. Oh, it's coming down. Come on. Looks like momentum. Come on. Boom. Is it supposed to go? It's supposed to go. It's not going. Okay, it's supposed to dump hard, and it's not dumping right now. So this could be a fake out here. Be a wake off spring. Not adding to this. There's no momentum to it. Yeah, no. Why is it not dumping? Right? That's the question I got to ask myself here. Why is it not dumping? Roku sitting at 165. Key. 10 o'clock coming in. It's not panicking out on the 5-minute chart either. It's not panicking out on work right now. So Still holding a starter size. Average 26.57. Or am I going to get a slow grind? Yeah. Ideally, I'm looking for a pop and drop. It grinds down slowly and then pop back to the 26.50, rejects or slows back down on this pop up, then I'll add. But looking right now, I shouldn't even be looking at that far because I don't think it's coming down right now. This is not the action I'm anticipating, so gotta be really careful here. See the 51s reclaim. I saw it. The offers hitting. $10 coming. Okay, tagged the VWAP real quick. Came right back down. So there's still selling pressure here at the 60s. So I'll hit out at the 60, 63, 65. Stop out around the 65. Starter size though. I don't really need to. Oh, here we go. It's looking weak. Could be a higher low. See, low, higher low, higher low. Roku, this is a higher low on right at the 65s. No, Roku stumping. So 10 o'clock Roku, we're coming down to a double bottom area. We'll see what it does. They're still whacking the bids on Roku. Work is just boring right now. But I'm not going to add to my position here because at any point in time, they could just cover pop and bring this right back up. I'm pretty sure a lot of longs are eyeing this down right now, thinking where they should buy. Come on. Roku new low of days, still weak. 43. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording here a bit while we wait. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back right now. We saw these few minutes sideways, not going anywhere. See higher lows. The 2650s reclaiming. I'm still on my starter size at break even par right now on the starter size. And nothing's happening, man. Nothing's happening. I don't know what to say. On the 30-minute chart, I mean, we got major doji. It might as well just close and open here. Another doji sideways again. Could be another half an hour wait before something happens. Okay. While we wait for that, Let's take a look at Roku here, new low of day. Oh, wow. It's going to give it all the way back, Roku. Oh, here we go. Slack, trying. Okay, I'm going to get out of my Slack position right now. Take a very, very small loss. Let me see how much I got out. Took a 5-cent loss on the starter side, so literally nothing. Looking more like a buy here. So 40s to 50s, 25s. Does. Roku still going down, very overextended. Cannot enter the short here unless it pops and holds to 65. 65. I'm risking 50 cents. No, don't like it. Nothing I really like right now. There is no A+ setup for me or stuff that I'm looking at for the usual. So I'm just going to pause the recording right now and just sit through this lull. Okay, so I'm back. It's 10:13. I'm not in any trades right now. I just finished plotting my short on the day. Looking at it, the entry, pretty nasty here on the first candle. Good thing the size was small, and I was expecting it to get stuff right here at 26.80s, right? And once it came back down, I added to the momentum, and it was coming down hard even more. I added more to the momentum, and I was looking for more downside as it was washing. I paid myself, come back up, paid myself, and flattened out right here. And then here, this little trade I took with a starter size, a tester. You guys all see me do it. Scratch for 5 cents. Looking at this chart right now, I mean, we are making a basing and then a higher low right here. And then it's looking like it's trying to pop right back out and through. You have a short-term fading trend line here. Let me see if I'm going to use that. It's kind of like that. That's the uptrend line that it's following. So there could be a long position here. Let's see how far it's going to run, though. I mean, if I'm going to target something, can it get back up to the pre-market high? Is that too much to ask? 27 for sure. That's a target. We'll see. But I'm going to stop the recording here right now and just sit through all this and just watch because it's 10:15. First half an hour is done. And thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about my trading video today, about my live trading, type them out in the comments and make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Ciao.